So guys, we're on the rear. This is the reservoir. So, first we're gonna get as much brake fluid out of the reservoir as we can. Okay. This one. Then, wait a minute. So, put it over there. This. Oh, oof. A lot of water, moisture. Oh. Now. First, a bit of a clean on the outside. Two. Okay. Now, let's see. Okay. Clean the reservoir. It's quick, easy. Oh, a little bit over there. So, nice. Very nice. Now I need fill it up with new. So, but now the caliper, the brake caliper, is on that side of the bike, and over here I have to press. I'm not sure. I think BMW thinks that mechanics are giants. I think. Let's see if I can do that. This and then so almost, just in time. So, now, okay. Now, we're going to use the laptop, the BMW computer, the interface, for cycling the ABS module. So let's do that. First we give it an OK. Now we have to flush it, so let's see. Even kijken. Now, filling up the reservoir, and now we have to cycle it one more time. So, continue flush 2. Oh, oops. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, now then switch off the ignition. Okay, en dan switch on the ignition. Godverdomme, je weet toch wat je wilt. Hop, hop, hop. Service function completed successfully. Yes! Put the cap of the diagnostic connector back on. Put it in place. Okay. Now we're gonna clean the rubber thing. Zo. Oh, die kant uit. Hop. Nicely cleaned. One. This plastic thing. Okay. Then the lid. So. Here is the. We're going to fill up the so let's put carefully this one in. Okay, the plastic thing. So, job done. I hope you liked this video, and if you do, please subscribe. I really would appreciate that. And for now, old mechanic out.